And so we're gonna be exploring the backrooms update. Let's go, guys. Alright, let's go.
I don't know, because I only have size 97,
What should we
nuts.
bring? Fine, bro.
But first,
Flashlights.
let me change my skin real quick.
Okay. And then we're gonna need a grappler. And maybe, just maybe, we're gonna need crowbar. Nothing a crowbar can't handle. Okay. We got all our stuff. And I'm gonna bring him in his stuff. Let's go. Mr. Giggles.
Alright.
Here's your stuff.
Anyways. No.
Wait, do you have a hip slot? Aw, dang it, bro. You're gonna have to. Well, actually, no. Forget this light. I'll be the light source. Okay. So.
I'll show you.
Where do you think
Well, first,
we're gonna go? Where do you think?
Well, I know.
Yeah,
I know what it is, but I haven't played it. But let me show you something. Now, we're gonna follow me. Follow me. I'll be doing it. Don't worry, I do. I'll be the one that
Let's go.
not do line. And if you follow me, like you're on a toy, you want to find your dark.
Alright, let's go.
Adventure time! Adventure time! Sailing the good. Adventure time!
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yeah, it's in the office.
Oh, is it? Oh, is it?
King Jong-un is the master.
Alright, let's go.
King Jong-un is the master.
Alright.
I found a place.
Oh wait, is that it? Wait.
Here we go. We're going to an adventure.
What the?
Second
What the
door.
Let's go.
Let's go, fellas.
Wee! Oh,
I know.
What
Every
the-
single I know.
What is this place?
I know.
Let's go.
I'm waiting. Prune juice.
Wait for me. Wait,
You want to drink it?
what is this?
You want?
Prune juice. Yo, what if you eat it?
Oh my God! You
wait.
gave me 5,000
I
company
think
coins.
wait, doesn't the prune juice
Look at my
increase your
watch.
sanity?
Look.
No, it didn't. Nah, see, I just see your mouth. Alright. Hey! Yo, bro! Put the crowbar on your back! It's hurting me!
Stop hurting me! Yes.
What is this?
Num nums.
Oh, what's this? Prune juice. I low-key wanna... Wait, and so I was told that you can fold.
Okay, let's go to the
these
next door.
chairs? Not sure that's true. Alright, look.
Help!
So this Let's go.
There can be. But there will. I'm
Is there
pretty
like
sure.
a monster in here?
A hoverboard. Yay!
There is?
Come over here.
What is that noise?
I found a cigarette. I found a cigarette.
What the?
Yay!
Yo, chill!
I got a hot dog. Check it out.
Don't do that. Oh my goodness. No.
Where are you? My aim is never.
No!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Revive me.
The tingle.
Alright.
There's a big bad man down there.
Let's stop messing around.
Now I'm finna beat him
Let's go
with a
into this
crowbar.
What
your
the?
kneecaps in. Oh,
Beat him.
oh, you wanna call me a gorilla, punk?
What does this say? What does this say?
Alright, so I know
Gorilla
where to go.
sounds
Do you
with
have
a
your
plunger.
grappler?
What the?
Here, I know where to go. Follow me every day. Follow
Why
me.
is there drums?
Up here.
What? Okay, where are we going?
Alright, there we go. Now. Yep, right here. But be careful,
Oh, is it
there's
in here?
some meat monsters.
Ooh.
Yes, I am not lying about that. Over here in this doorway.
Actually, there's a monster.
No!
Wait, there's.
Don't
Wait,
do it!
actually.
Beat it! Beat it!
What?
Beat it!
What the?
Ah!
Kill him! What the?
Oh, they got me! Ah!
Kill him through the wall!
Get grappled to the wall! Ah! There's another one! Beat it!
What the frick? What the? Shoot it!
It's dead! Get to the top! Now keep just keep grappling to the top.
Alright.
Don't ever drop. Here's another door.
What is this place?
Now come up. Now there should be a door somewhere in here.
What is this place?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's a door over here.
Gorilla!
Grapple to the top.
Where? Door!
Grapple.
Let's go! Oh shoot.
Yeah, cause there's a black monster spikes and they'll
if you
kill
eat the prune juice, doesn't it like heal you?
My bad, that kind of sounded racist a little bit. It's okay. Here's another door. Is this the door we came out of?
Yeah, a little racist, but it's fine. Alright, come on.
That means it's the door. Oh,
yeah, that's the door that we came out of.
Oh,
Come
you have
on.
to check first. Check. Is everything okay?
Oh! Door!
Grab it to the top. They can't get you if you're at the top. That's the meat monster.
What is that?
Wait, let him get to the
What
door.
is that thing?
You know what? No, just let him get to us
That is
so
so
we can beat
weird.
him. Come here, big cheese.
Yeah, come here, meat monster. Also, don't hit me.
Well, he can get
I'm
you, I
actually
think.
really
Here, I'm
low.
gonna test.
Wait, should we just grab on
Oh,
top of him
ow!
and just like
I
beat
hate
him?
you, stupid Elmo.
Actually,
Beat him.
get him.
Let's go.
Get him.
A grenade.
Nice.
Yeah. We're not gonna.
Alright, look, You, bro,
Hey,
we're gonna
another
use this
grenade.
grenade smart.
Wait up. Help it. Here we go. Oh, we're at the fire.
Come here.
What's this? Fire. Wait, what's over here?
Ooh. Fire. W.
Doorway.
Nice fire. Oh, door.
Oh,
Wait, check.
I don't know.
What the?
I think.
What is this?
You could grapple. That's good.
What
Wait
the?
up.
Well,
I
there
don't
is
know.
nothing over here. Wait, bro, we're gonna have to drop down.
It just responds to you. I'm here.
Don't drop down fully.
Oh wait, grapple to the top.
Wait, I've literally seen a video of this concept. This was a little sneak peek of the backrooms. I saw a video of this. There was like this YouTuber, he posted a video and it looked identical. Bro, that video like 6 months ago literally looked identical to
Wait, can you
this
grapple to the
level.
top?
Wait, that's actually insane. They were literally teasing. They were literally teasing.
What the heck? There's a wall!
What?
Wait, there's a wall that's caving us in!
Yeah, I know.
Yo, the upside down! It's on the wall! Where are you?
Wait. Yo, I found it. Come here. Behind the big wall with a bunch of platforms.
What? I hear you.
Look.
I'm here. What was that? There's a monster in here with us.
One sec.
Where? Where are they? What the heck?
God, there's two of them.
Are you in the...
I killed them both. I killed myself and killed them both. I killed both of them. You're good.
Open the crates. Oh, a sword. Keep grappling to the top. Oh no!
What is this?
I don't like where this is going.
What the?
Keep grappling to the top, man. You're the only light source. Yo, the lobby pictures.
Wait, is it this way? No,
meat!
it's not this
You're
way.
the meat monster! Ow! I revive you!
Crap. Yeah, I'm dead.
I got you. Here, where are you?
Kill him and then revive me.
Alright, wait,
Holy
here,
man, we should have brought like MREs, bro.
Oh,
We should have brought
shotgun?
MREs.
Oh, a revolver.
Holy.
Yes. Alright. Alright, wait. Alright, yeah.
Revolver. Come here.
Yo, drink the prune. I got prune juice.
It's not this way.
I got here's some prune juice right here.
You do where? Where's the proof?
What's down here? Yeah, I think there's another meat monster.
I need one.
Where do we go? Yeah, me too. Uh-oh,
Yeah,
do
like,
not
I'm kind of
enter.
lost.
Please
Wait,
do not enter me.
why does
There
it
has to be a
say?
door somewhere by them.
Why does it say do not enter?
Because apparently
Oh
the
wow,
game
it
doesn't.
literally doesn't mean it. It literally doesn't mean enter because
Oh, good thing you had a gun.
there's no point. Because there's
Wait,
literally
what's
no
this?
point.
Wait, there's a corner over here. Oh, it's no door. Another grenade.
Yep.
Oh, what's this?
Yep.
What is no way out?
Wait, is there actually no way out? What the heck? Or are we gonna have to go down? There's like no way out.
I don't know where to go.
Where do we leave?
Where do we go? Wait, what's this over here? I don't think we ever saw this area. Ooh!
Do not enter.
Oh no! Move! Get away!
Why is there a glitch mimic?
Those things could kill you! Oh no, we're in this area! This isn't good. Yeah, but there's like 10,000 more of them.
I killed a glitch mimic.
You ready? Go!
Actually? Come here!
Ah!
Oh, yup,
Here,
you were
come on,
not
there's some
lying.
door somewhere around here. There's some door around here.
What the? What the? I can't see.
You gotta hurry, cause there's 1,000 of them somewhere here.
What the? I can't see.
Hurry! There should be a door somewhere down here. Ah! No! Ah! There's medics!
What the? There's so many. What the frick?
Grab it to the top!
You literally can't see no
Grab
thing. What?
Ah! Fuck! Find the door! Ah! Fuck!
Oh my.
Fuck!
This is one of the most horrifying updates we've ever gotten. No, I'm dead. No, I'm actually dead. Where are you, Giggles? Or Mr. Giggle? What the? Oh my goodness.
Fuck!
Oh, I found it. What the?
What?
Where are you? Oh, where are you? I found it.
I'm looking. Help me!
Get off of me.
Wait, I see you! You here?
Where are you? Where are you?
Whoa!
Look.
Beat him up!
Look.
We're home!
All right, look. Wait, what's this? Wait, no. No, look. What's this? What is this place?
What?
Oh no. Oh no.
Here, come on, let's go home!
Oh no, there's
Come over here.
vents.
We gotta get out of here.
Where are you? No, bro.
I need
bro,
proof.
no, I actually want to explore though. Come
This
here.
is like the vents.
Come here. What is this? Look, come here. Yeah, exactly. I'm pretty sure it is.
Don't leave me!
What the?
Come here.
Come here.
Yo, we lost home!
No, that just leads back. Wait, come here.
Fuck!
No, follow me. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. There you are. Come here.
Yeah, wait, what's this?
Come here.
Ew, it's disgusting!
What is this? Ew!
Old TV?
Oh, what the? No, follow me. Follow me, bro. This is actually
What's
kind
this?
Bro, this is like the scariest Animal Company update like
Where
ever.
are you, bud?
No joke.
I'm coming.
Oh no, come here.
What?
Come here. Look. Look.
I'm here.
Come here.
Yo,
What
let's
the?
go.
What is this spiky thing? Wait. Arrow pointing left. What do you mean?
I don't think so.
What do you mean pointing left? What can you like no clip?
Apparently there's something on the left.
What?
Yeah, so it has to be somewhere down here.
Wait, come here. It said to the left.
I don't know, but
What
what's
does
over
it
here?
mean?
Whoa.
Yeah, what does it mean? Well, like we're over here?
No, this isn't.
No. This is where we. Wait a minute. I don't recognize this.
No, this is it.
Never mind. Wait, come here. Mr.
I'm
Giggle.
here. Pug?
Yeah, Mr. Giggle, where are you?
I'm here.
I'm at where the TV is. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Come here.
Wait, what's this?
Prune juice.
Oh, never mind.
Alright, look.
Let's go.
What? Alright, come on.
Ah! Why do I hear a monster sound? What is that?
Wait.
Entity!
Uh-oh. What is that? Oh, Sam! There's two of them! There's three!
There's three! No!
Come here!
No! I got you! No!
Come here! Revive me!
Run! Risk it!
Run!
They're behind us! Stay here!
I'm out!
That was the entity!
What the? What is that? Oh no! Wait,
I'm
wait!
not.
Don't hit me!
Where
I'm
was
literally
the
1 HP.
entity?
Don't hit me!
There's too many of them! It's the
Wait, come on.
entity! Get in!
What is that thing?
I'm risking it!
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Risk it for the biscuit! No! I will
Same.
kill you for that!
Ah! I died.
That's it! Oh! Come here!
Wait. Oh, nice,
I
nice. W. Res.
Oh, come on. There's more.
How am I still alive?
You sure did, bro.
Oh man, I picked the right person to do this with me.
We gotta
Holy
gotta
crap.
hurry up because we'll die here.
Yeah, come here.
Where are you? Ah! Oh! I'm getting hit by. Oh no!
Oh, over here.
I'm getting hit by that black monster.
What?
I need prune juice.
What the?
Come on, we need to get out of here.
We do. Come here.
We gotta hurry because there's entity somewhere.
Nope.
Go! Go! He's there! TVs!
What?
What? Where are you? What is this?
Oh. Wait. Why is this the picture of the OG map? And why is there corporate animal? Wait, can we get this? What is this? Duct tape?
The biscuit! No!
What the
I think
heck?
this is where backrooms supposed to be.
Why are we in hell?
Wait for me! Ow!
What the? Wait. What? What the? I'm in the pool rooms.
Pug!
I'm in the.
Okay!
Hey, what? What the?
Help me! What is little broski,
Yo,
Mr. Giggle
bro,
A doing?
I think I just. Yo. What? Yo.
Yo!
Alright.
Wait!
That was
Wait,
actually stressful.
Wait! Pug! Pug,
Crap.
before you kick